Sock clothes. Use a kid's sock and measure it up to Barbie's body. Now cut the foot part off the sock. Cut the foot of the sock in half. Cut the tip off the toe. And make 2 small holes for the arms. You've just made a top and a skirt for Barbie. Glue a jewel bead on the shirt for extra sparkle. Shoes. Let's make Barbie some wedge shoes. All you need is a cork. Measure and mark the cork to Barbie's foot. Cut the end off the cork. Measure to her foot and mark again. Cut with an X-Acto knife. They should fit on the bottom of the foot like this when you're done. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can just try again with the rest of the cork. Next, glue a piece of ribbon onto the inside of the shoe where Barbie's foot goes. Place her foot into the shoe and wrap the ribbon around her foot. Cut the ribbon to fit. Glue the other side of the ribbon to the inside of the shoe using tweezers. Put the shoes on and glue some jewels on top. Cool wedge shoes, Barbie! Remember when this outfit was just a sock and a cork?
Bucket bag. For this, you'll need some fun vinyl fabric. Fold one side over and pin it, like this. Apply hot glue along the edge. Fold it and glue it together. Remove the pins. Now do the same on the other side. Fold in the edge and hot glue the edges together. Punch holes in the top corners like this. Fold the bag in half so that the opposite sides are touching, and fold the center piece together. And punch another hole through the center. You should have 4 holes on each side of the purse when you're done. Thread some string through the holes. You can gather the top of the purse together, like this. Use a jewelry chain as the purse strap. Just hot glue the ends to the inside of the bag. Use a chopstick to push the chain into place. Gather the bag closed and tie the string. Cut off the excess string. Now to accessorize. Get some decorative beads. Use a needle to hot glue the end of the string inside the hole in the bead. That is a high fashion bag.
Faux fur bag. Let's have some fun with pipe cleaners or chenille stems. Attach 2 pipe cleaners at the end and bend them to make the frame of a bag. Twist together, then wrap the chenille stems around the frame, like this. When you run out, just grab another stem and wrap it around. Now grab the other portion of the pipe cleaner left over from the frame and weave it through the pipe cleaners you just wrapped. Do this for the whole purse. When you're done, fold it in half, use a chenille stem to close up the sides. Just sew it through. Then finish sewing. Before you reach the top, put the stem through the chain. The stem will keep the purse strap in place. Cut off the extra part of the stem. Now for the other side. Now Barbie's got a faux fur bag to complete her outfit. Backpack. For this, you'll need a ribbon, a matchbox, a bead, a hair tie, and 2 types of fabric. Cut the sides off a matchbox and glue the ribbon onto one of the sides. Cut a small piece of fabric to fit the little cardboard piece. Glue it back onto the matchbox. Measure the same piece of fabric around the matchbox. Hot glue the fabric around the little box. Use a hair tie to hold it together. Now glue the bottom of the ribbon straps onto the bottom of the backpack. Cut the other fabric in this shape and glue it on the back. Glue a bead to the front of the tip of the fabric and hold it over the top. Use the hair tie to hold the pocket in place. Who's ready for an adventure with Barbie? Swing! Now we're going to show you how to make a Barbie swing out of popsicle sticks. Here's how. Put 3 large sticks together, then use 2 smaller sticks to hold them together. Glue the small stick to the larger sticks on both sides. Make 2 of these. Glue the ends of the small sticks together to make a swing seat. Use small wooden dowels or kebab sticks for the sides of the swing. Make a large A shape. Hot glue it together. Now use another stick for the top. Glue it to the top of the A and slide your swing chains on the top stick. Glue the other side on. Glue another stick to the center of the smaller sticks to stabilize the swing. Place the seat inside the chains. Let's have a swing, Barbie!
Barbie shoes. Ready to spruce up your favorite pair of shoes, Barbie? All you need is a bowl of water and some nail polish to put a funky spin on these plain shoes. Just drizzle the nail polish colors into the bowl in a cool design. Move the paint around with a toothpick to give it a swirled look. Using a pair of tweezers, dip Barbie's shoes into the nail polish. It will stick to the shoe as you pull it up and out of the water. When they're dry, Barbie will have the coolest shoes in town. She's going to be the life of the party. Very stylish, Barbie. Leggings. If you want to add a little flair to Barbie's outfit with some colorful leggings, give this a try. Use the same method as before and drizzle nail polish into a bowl of water. Use your favorite colors to match Barbie's outfit. The trick is to create a layered effect with the nail polish. Swirl it around with a toothpick. Then simply dip Barbie's leg into the Hydro Dip. Let it dry and dress Barbie up to feature those one-of-a-kind leggings. These are so trippy. Detangle Barbie hair. We've all seen what can happen to Barbie hair after a while. It's hard to get those tangles out, but we've got a quick fix for that. Pour some fabric softener into a bowl. Submerge the doll's hair into the bowl and swirl it around for a bit. After the doll is done soaking, rinse her hair in a bowl of water. Dry it off with a towel, and you should be able to brush right through. It's so shiny too.
Candy box sofa. Take a mint or a candy box and turn it into a sofa for your dollhouse. Use a rectangular kitchen sponge for the cushion. Trace around the box with a marker and cut the sponge down to size. Now wrap the sponge in a fun handkerchief. Put the cushion in the candy box. Trace and cut another sponge for the back of the couch. Glue the fabric around the sponge and put it in the top part of the box. Such a cute sofa! Necklace. Cut the arm off of Barbie as a charm for your necklace. Remove Barbie's head and place a pen in the bottom so you can easily hold her as you cut. Grab a round necklace charm like this one. Hot glue the face onto the charm. Glue the hand onto the jewel piece to add another decorative charm to the necklace. Attach the hand charm to the face charm, then add a necklace chain. Please subscribe to our channel for even more hacks. Bye!